Our next trend is electron shielding. In electron shielding, those outer electrons, otherwise known as valence electrons, are blocked from the nucleus due to the repulsion of our inner electrons. And the trend from left to right is going to stay constant because what really affects electron shielding is added energy levels. And we know that as you move from left to right across the periodic table, you don't change in energy levels. They're going to stay the same. So if you're in period 4, no matter if you're on the left side of the periodic table or the right side of the periodic table, you still have 4 energy levels. So electron shielding really doesn't change at all. But when you go from the top of the periodic table to the bottom of the periodic table, we know that every time you change to the next period, we add on energy levels, so that trend is going to increase as you go from the top of the periodic table to the bottom of the periodic table. So why is that? Well, like we said, you keep on adding more energy levels as you go down a group. So period 1 is going to have 1 energy level. Period 2, you have 2 energy levels. Well, right away, those outer electrons are now further away than the outer electrons in period 1. So as you keep on going further and further away from the nucleus by adding on energy levels, those outer electrons, valence electrons, keep getting blocked from the nucleus by all of those inner electrons. So if you have 6 energy levels, you are going to be blocked from the nucleus by electrons on 5 other energy levels. And there's going to be a lot of electrons on those 5 other energy levels. Whereas if you were to the top of the periodic table and you only had 2 energy levels, well then you're only going to be blocked by the electrons on 1 energy level. So there's not really that many electrons blocking it. So that's why our electron shielding is going to increase as you go down the periodic table, because we keep on adding more and more energy levels.